We're good.
Good morning, I'm Sue Smith. I'm a creative memories consultant from Brisbane, Australia. My team and I have been working to find new ideas for the punches. I've worked with 4 different punches today. I've worked with the Tiara chain border maker cartridge, the fireworks punch, the dotted banner chain border maker cartridge, and the Mosaic diamond chain border maker cartridge. I hope you enjoy the pages that I've created and maybe would like to try some for yourself.